Buddha sculptures are typically found in abundance at Buddhist temples. Incense sticks that are burning and offerings of fruit and flowers are frequently placed all around the central Buddha pictures. Some of them hold the reliquaries of well-known holy figures' bones or ashes. According to Chinese feng shui, many Buddhist temples face south and occasionally east, but never the north or west, which are thought to be unfavorable directions. Many temples have left-handed entrances and right-handed exits. Typically, the center of the temple grounds is where you'll find the main hall. There are altars, Buddha and other Buddhist icons, and rooms for monks and worshippers within. The lecture hall, where monks assemble to study and recite sutras, is occasionally connected to the main hall. A sutra depositor, a library or location where Buddhist scripture is housed, offices, monks' quarters for living, sleeping, and eating, and offices are among the additional structures. Special halls are frequently seen in large temples where treasures are preserved and displayed. Some temples include shrines where people can pray to the dead and place funeral plaques with pictures of their deceased relatives on them. The images frequently depict the dead, whose funeral rites were conducted at the temple. Some temples display sets of wooden plaques with the names of significant donors, while other temples display sets with the names of the deceased's afterlife. The names for the hereafter, which were formerly solely given to Buddhist monks, are now available to lay people who have paid the appropriate fee and, in certain locations, have taken on the form of a ranking system for those who have made the most contributions. Thanks for watching, and that's Rishi Kundle signing off.